What is generative AI? I could tell you about it, but I think it's better if I show you. So here I'm going to get Copilot to write me a bedtime story. I'm going to launch it by hitting Windows and C, and then I'm going to ask Copilot to create a bedtime story just like this. Create me a bedtime story about Bobo the bear who wants to fly to the moon. And here you can see we have a bedtime story, ready for that sleepy sleep time. And it will even read it to me. How cool is that? And that's just the tip of the iceberg what AI can do today. Here's a quick overview of what AI is and how it works. When I get a perfectly shuffled playlist or recommendations for a niche kitchen appliance that I simply can't live without, I don't think twice. But in reality, recommendations like these are algorithms, and an algorithm is a set of rules, sometimes incredibly complex rules, that computers follow, like a massively intricate game of 20 questions. If an algorithm is trained enough, you can get generative AI, which means it can engage in conversation and create text, images, and even videos. When we're looking at what AI is today, it's just as important to look at what AI is not. Because for many people, AI can be synonymous with sci-fi doom and gloom, because let's be honest, sci-fi books and movies haven't given AI the most positive reputation. AI is an advanced algorithm, not a conscious thinking creature with original thoughts. It only works when given instruction or permission by you. While I'm really excited about AI, I'm very aware that as of 2023, over 70% of people over the age of 45 are unsure if AI is good for society, whereas 60% of people who've never used it believe it's a bad thing for jobs. The point is, when you don't understand AI, you can easily view it as something different to what it really is. Remember, AI is an advanced algorithm, not a conscious thinking creature with original thoughts. It only works when given instruction or permission by you. But I'm sure you're then probably thinking, well, how does it seem so smart then? And that's a great question. You know how your phone can guess what word you want to type next? A large language model is essentially that same technology ramped up to 11. It generates words that are relevant to the input that you gave it. Seriously, that's how it works. These large language models, or LLMs, as you may have seen them called, are trained on vast datasets, including complete libraries of books, articles, and websites. And this is how AI tools are able to understand and generate human-like language so effectively. Versatility is key. These LLMs are trained in an ever-growing suite of tasks like translation, summarization, question and answers, creative writing, with more and more skills being added every single day. The use case scenarios for AI are just about as broad as the number of use case scenarios for any technology ever. Think about the number of times you would have liked an extra set of eyes on an email or Word document. The difference it would make to have a personal researcher do all the homework about two different products that you've been comparing. Or the last time you planned a big trip and how many websites, blogs, reviews, and apps you used to make an itinerary fit within your budget. These normal life scenarios are where these AI tools can shine brightest and have the strongest impact on our lives. All it takes is that you become familiar with how to use them. The AI we interact with has been trained on human behavior. Whenever someone isn't impressed with AI, it's usually because they're treating it like a sci-fi robot instead of the nuanced algorithm it really is. We often say if you put bad data into something, you're gonna get bad data out. And working with AI is no different. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Curiosity, openness, and strong questioning skills go a long way, and one of my favorite parts is that AI is designed to be conversational. So if I don't get the exact information I was hoping for straight away, I can ask follow-up questions or offer suggestions to tweak the results. For example, let's ask Copilot to create a balanced meal plan for the week. And great, it's given me some good results here, but I already know that some of these meals absolutely will not be passing the test of my 7-year-old. And to be fair, I didn't let Copilot know that there was a mini food critic in my household, so let's ask it to tweak it and make it more appropriate for a 7-year-old. And then we can even put this information into a table or a shopping list. But I'm starting to get ahead of myself. We'll be telling you more about this and giving you more great examples throughout our AI Academy series. So while AI may not be all of your sci-fi dreams and nightmares come true, it is a valuable tool to help with endless amounts of everyday life. To help you on your AI journey, I want to set you a little challenge. The next time you start to search for something online, try using AI instead. A little tip: when at first you don't succeed, explain to the AI what it got wrong and let it try again. And remember, have fun, stay curious, learn new things and ways to get more out of your technology. And we will see you soon for the next part of our AI Academy series. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon to get notified when it goes live. I've been Matt, you've been watching Expert Zone UK and I will see you all soon.